Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hailey with Hailey Stitches, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble clue number 4 of the Cotton Cuts Puzzle Mystery Quilt. If you don't know what the Puzzle Mystery Quilt is, it is a block of the month program through Cotton Cuts, but it is not your typical block of the month program. Instead of assembling one block each month, you actually assemble a different section of the quilt. So you don't know how it's going to be assembled at the end until the last clue. Each month they send you a new piece to put together, and the best part is that all of the fabric is pre-cut. I am assembling the small Puzzle Mystery Quilt, and the fabric that I'm using is the Nadia colorway. If you want to know more about the Puzzle Mystery Quilt, you can check out my links in the description below. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble clue number 4, so let's dive in. Clue number 4 is made up of 1 4A piece and 4 4B pieces. So first we are going to go over the 4A section. For the 4A section, you will need your fabric H square and then both of your fabric D strips. For the 4A section, you're going to sandwich the fabric H in between your fabric D strips, and then when you press, you're going to press towards the strips. So use a 1/4 inch seam allowance and sew this together. This is what our section 4A piece looks like when it is all assembled. So that one was super easy. And now we're going to move on to our section 4B pieces. Our 4B pieces are made up of flying geese. So to start off with our 4B section, you'll want to grab your A triangle fabric, your G triangle fabric, and your F triangle fabric. The first step in assembling a flying geese block is to take your A and G fabric, and then you are going to place the squares on top of each other and sew along this seam using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And the great thing about these pre-cut pieces is that the triangles already have the corners clipped off, so there's no additional trimming you need to do once your flying geese piece is assembled. After we've stitched those two pieces together, it's going to look like this. And for the flying geese, you're going to want to press away from the center triangle. Next, we can add in our other side of the flying geese block. So this is our fabric F, and we're going to repeat the step again. So we're going to fold this over and then sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. After we've sewn those two pieces together, we'll end up with a flying geese block that looks like this. And remember to press this seam away from the center block. Continue making your flying geese until you have a total of 12 flying geese blocks. The last step in making our 4B section is to assemble our flying geese blocks together. So you'll want to take 3 of your flying geese blocks and line them up side by side. And we're going to sew them together in a line like this. So stitch along these lines using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Once you've sewn your flying geese blocks together, you'll want to press to the left-hand side. This is what our finished section 4B block will look like. So continue sewing together your flying geese blocks until you have a total of 4 of these B blocks. After you've sewn all of your clue 4 pieces together, you'll end up with 1 of these A blocks and 4 of these B blocks. Remember to label your pieces so that assembly at the end of our Puzzle Mystery Quilt clues will be super easy. And that's all for clue number 4. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope it was helpful in assembling clue number 4. I'd love to know if you're also participating in the Puzzle Mystery Quilt, so let me know in the comments below. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and if you want to see more quilting and cross-stitch videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all next time. Bye!